Hey everyone, thanks again for tuning in for another video where we talk about using the platform pocket option to do Forex trading. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to turn on your notifications, subscribe, and consider checking out the ebooks to bring you up to speed on all of the candlestick setups and tips I've been sharing in each one of my videos. Also, please note, it's not recommended that you go all in, meaning that you risk your entire balance per trade. That's the only way that you will progress from $5 to $3,000 in 20 minutes. You have to go all in. And again, that's just not recommended if you're starting. Yes, it's great to see your live account building and building and building, but when you start losing and losing and losing, it's not so great, and then you're wondering what went wrong. Okay, first things first that we need to talk about, I'm going to address some questions, and I'm also going to share some additional tips. Trading times. Do keep in mind that if you have settled on a specific time to trade, and then you bounce to another time that has a lot of volatility, it's possible that you can lose a lot more than you just gained. So always make sure that you find a good trading time, whether it's in the OTC. And I know a lot of people say OTC is a little risky. I've never really experienced any drastic issues where I've got to, go to a completely different time. I have also traded during regular market times, and for some people that works. So just try to keep your trading times consistent. That way you can determine which time is best for you. If you've been trading early in the morning, late at night, and you find that all your gains are coming at that time, then try to stick with that time. Trading behavior. Keep in mind, it is so important to maintain some kind of discipline. When we get up on our trades and we have a lot of gains and then we see them go right back down, you need to check your trading behavior. Are you over trading? Are you going too fast? Are you not getting your confirmations? So take a moment to reflect on your trading behavior, and if you do find yourself losing, I always do say, if you lose one and you already got about 10 trades in a row, then you need to slow down. Settings. Make sure you're on the correct settings. I'm hearing from a lot of people, you might be going back and forth with the 5 second, 1 minute, 2 minute. That's fine. But it creates a little bit more of a chaotic trading session for you. But if you can maintain it, that's great. But don't switch back to 1 minute when you're still on 5 seconds. Make sure your pairs match if you're going to be doing the 5 second strategy. This is the same when it comes to changing the minutes on your candles. Most times I use 1 minute candles and 1 minute expiration. You can use whatever you want to use. If that doesn't work for you, then maybe you want to do 30 seconds candles. Maybe you want to do 15-second candles. The point is, when you begin to trade, stick to a particular setting. And if you want to switch over to something else, just make sure everything matches, because I do know when doing the 5 second strategy, your settings can change without you realizing it if you decide to go back to a 1 minute strategy. Okay, so today we're going to be using the Aroon indicator. Now, this is a good indicator, especially again, if you are a beginner. Very, very simple to follow. Watch the trades as I take them, and when you see the lines cross, that gives you a signal to start thinking about an entry. Also, too, what I have found is that the blue line is very strong and helps guide you even more to the trade so you can get that win. Let's take a look at these trades. For those who are new to the platform, I do recommend Pocket Option as a broker. I have not had any issues with them at this point. Now, that's on the real because, I'm very, very picky, but I will always keep you updated on any changes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you get my videos each and every day. Smash that like button, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.